What's up everybody, welcome to Royal Visuals. If you're new here, my name's Matt. If you're not new here, then welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you guys how you can make a great background for product videography without using a green screen. There are three items that you need: a laptop or a PC screen, a reflective or mirrored surface, and the product that you're shooting. This also works with a camera or a mobile camera, it doesn't really matter. So for my setup, I have the glass from the side of my PC case. I haven't got a mirror because I've broken them all looking into them, so I can only use what I've got. Right now I'll show you what we are trying to create and then I'll show you how it's done. So I've just showed you the end product of what we're trying to create, so I'll show you now how to do it and the setup. As you can see here, I've just got a book, another box, a bit of side lighting, and my product. And in the background you can see some lighting. So with just a basic setup like this, it's easily achievable, and you can see the finished product. It looks really well. If you've got a small little light or an LED source, you can just do a little bit of side lighting or front lighting. It makes it look even better. So we'll jump back. So for this bit, all you need to do, it's quite easy, is you go on YouTube and you just type in lightning effect, and then if you click on one where it just gives you a screensaver like this, animated lightning effects, make sure it's on HD, full screen, and then just use that as your background. I decided to show you on here is a little bit more clearer than on the laptop. Looks pretty cool, right? Well, that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, then please drop a like and a subscribe if you haven't already, and if you can drop a comment below letting me know what you think of this video. Well, I guess this is kind of like a weekly thing now, so should we call it Tutorial Thursdays? Let me know what you think we should call this series, and I guess I'll see you next week. See ya.